Hi guys, good morning. Nasiraan tayo ng bulb ng brake light. So it's alright to drive it for a while, but then once you get the warning from NSW police, kailangan palitan mo na siya. So I don't want to take the risk of having the warning. So I'll change my brake light. My car nga pala is a Ford Fiesta. So kaninang umaga nakita ko ano na siya, off na siya, kung pwede palitan ko na. So pupunta ako ng Repco para bumili ng light bulb. Saka ang Ford Fiesta pala, ang gagamitin niya yung star Allen key. So yung Allen key niya, the Allen key is this CRB 125. So that's the size. Hi guys, di na ako nakaikot doon kasi they have a new system in Repco. So they're gonna grab the stuff for you. So hindi na ako nakapag doon ikot-ikot. So what they gave me is 5 watts, the 12 volts brake lights. So this is how it looked like. So I told them just give me the cheapest one. So it's only $5. But then if I go to a mechanic, they will charge me a couple of $100. So binili ko. So $5 and I can do it myself. So it's more easier than having a schedule for a mechanic. If I can do it, it's better to do it myself. At least save money and then I'll learn something. So I'll see you guys at home. Hi guys, good afternoon, or no, still good morning. It's 11:55 AM po. Nandito na po ako sa bahay. I hope lahat tayo safe. Ayun. Umuulan po ngayon dito. It's almost 85% rain today, and the date is April tuloy. Yes, December 5, 2021. Ayun, kanina po kasi naglinis po ako ng kotse kanina. Medyo maaraw-araw kanina. Sabi ko lilinisin yung kotse ko. Pero napansin ko yung brake lights ko pundido na. So pagkalinis ko, umalis po ako, tapos bigla namang umulan. Sabi ko mainam pang gawin ko na kasi pag na-pull over po ako ng mga pulis, bibigyan ako ng warning. And then malapit na rin po kasi yung pink slip ng kotse ko. So kung iano sa akin ng mechanic, baka i-charge pa ako ng $100. Pero ang nangyari po kasi, bumili ako sa Repco ng brake lights, $5 lang, dalawa pa. Kaya ayun po, palitan po natin yung ilaw. Sama po kayo sa akin. I hope you guys enjoy. overnight. Yeah. See ya. So, ito po yung ano. Naibalik ko na siya. And then I want to check before I lock. I will check if it works.